Does your business have a disaster recovery plan? Let us help you develop one. Begin with involving relevant teams and gather documents like network diagrams, equipment configurations, and databases. Identify serious threats and vulnerabilities. Now, review history of disasters, if any, and know how the company handled them. Identify critical assets and determine the RTO, the amount of time the business can be without the service without incurring significant losses, and the RPO, which is the maximum targeted period in which data might be lost from an IT service due to a major incident. Identify how the company is currently responding to disasters and know when the plans were last tested. You'll now know what is currently being done versus what ought to be done with recommendations. Lastly, identify emergency response teams, agree on recommendations, and prepare a disaster recovery plan. And of course, conduct regular tests and keep updating the plan. Know more? Write to us at info@ehdf.com or call on 971-4563-4848.